Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So the people who are following me on Instagram, मैंने कल एक पोस्ट डाला था कि आपको कोई क्वेश्चंस हो तो आप पूछ सकते हो रिगार्डिंग एविएशन एंड रेसिंग, और मैं जो भी मुझे जो अच्छे क्वेश्चंस लगेंगे मैं वो उसके आंसर्स मैं इस चैनल पे दूंगा. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट. जस्ट अ मिनट. ओके. सो मैं सबका इंस्टाग्राम आईडी भी बोलूँगा. Okay, so the first question was from Pratik 24135. How a middle class boy can be a airline pilot? Give solutions. So for middle class boy, matlab, there's nothing like rich boys or middle class boys, something like that. Only thing is somebody have financial problems, someone doesn't have it. For everyone at this moment of time, जैसे कि आप सबको पता है कि कोरोना चल रहा है and you all know how aviation industry is badly affected. मैं सभी को एक ही सोल्यूशन बोलता हूँ, वो है एयरफोर्स. अगर आपका एज बैरियर नहीं है, इफ़ यू आर इन 12th, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू काइंडली गो एंड गिव एनडीए एग्ज़ाम. उसमें सिलेक्शन लो, देन स्टार्ट फ्लाइंग फॉर एयरफोर्स. देन आफ्टर हैविंग सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ आवर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस यू कैन कम एंड जॉइन द एयरलाइन इंडस्ट्री डायरेक्टली एज अ कैप्टन. सो फॉर इसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन सेम हैं कि हाउ अ मिडिल क्लास बॉय, कितना पैसा लगता है सर, व्हाट इज़ अ सोल्यूशन ऑफ एविएशन एज ऑफ नाउ. आई मीन अभी पायलट ट्रेनिंग करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. सभी के लिए आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू वन सिंपल आंसर, दैट इज़ जॉइन द एयरफोर्स. उससे अच्छा ऑप्शन नहीं मिलेगा अभी आपको पायलट बनने के लिए. सो प्रतीक, योर आंसर इज, आई थिंक यू गॉट इट. अगर आपके पास एज है, यू कैन, इफ यू आर स्टिल 19, एट द एज ऑफ 19 यू कैन स्टिल गिव एनडीए, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. And अगर आपका एज चला गया है तो you can go for a graduation, and there are certain colleges in which the Air Force people come and take the cadets from there. And if you're a graduate, then they will directly train you for flying. They won't make you do their graduation process and all. Okay, so this is your answer. It's me underscore Aritra. Can you show me your 1 month roster?
नहीं.
नहीं. Wait, sorry, I'm just joking. I can't show, it's something personal. Okay, so the next question is from Jonty underscore Hawkday. So when can we expect the cadet program to continue? So Jonty यार, I just want to tell you one thing, that is मैंने cadet pilot program से नहीं किया था. मैंने अपना normal CPL किया, अपना खुद से type rating किया, then I waited for the vacancy to come. And I went through that process. But if you want an answer for the cadet program, I'll definitely have a word with the people who are into cadet, and I'll get an update for you. All right, and then sir, does it really cost a bit less to do CPL? Okay, nice question here. It's underscore Khushi underscore Sharma .08. So the question is, sir, does it really cost a bit less to do CPL from country like US, Florida than here in India? Khushi, see, मेरे को काफ़ी सारे ऐसे क्वेरीज आते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस क्वेश्चन यू हैव आस्क्ड. सो आई डिड इट फ्रॉम इंडिया. माय फ्लाइंग स्कूल नेम इज APFT हैदराबाद. आई डिड माय CPL फ्रॉम देयर, एंड आई डिड माय टाइप रेटिंग फ्रॉम FSTC गुड़गांव. सो अगर आप USA जाते हो, इफ़ यू सी द ओवरऑल एक्सपेंडिचर, दैट विल कॉस्ट यू maybe 32 lakhs, 33 lakhs, 34 lakhs. But you just think about the flying, like from Delhi or maybe from any part of India to USA, उसका flight tickets, आना जाना, your accommodation there, your food, your travel expenditure, everything. तो जितना आप करोगे, I think that will be equivalent to India only. India में भी there are many flying schools, local flying schools भी है जहाँ पे you can go and join and do your flying training. See, this training, you know, that pilot training जो है, it is a very expensive course. And the worst part which I feel in this is कि there is no job guarantee. आपको नहीं पता कब आपकी job लगेगी. So the graph sometimes goes up, the graph suddenly goes down. So it's all depend on your luck. It's all depend on your your performance. You know, many things are involved in this. So मैं, अगर कोई मेरे से ये पूछता है कि फ्लाइंग कहाँ से करनी चाहिए, I would say आप ये इंडिया से ही करो. There are a lot of flying schools in India. ठीक है, आपको फ्लाइंग स्कूल के पास यू कैन गेट अ लॉट ऑफ PG, यू कैन स्टे देयर फॉर अ वेरी लेस एक्सपेंडिचर, एंड यू कैन डू योर फ्लाइंग ट्रेनिंग फ्रॉम देयर. दूसरी चीज़ क्या है कि व्हेन यू गो टू USA, you do your flying training from there, you come back, you have to do a what we say, you have to do certain amount of hours of experience. You have to build, you have to show them there's a certain test, day check, night check. You have to show the Indian authority that you actually you are the only one who have done the flying. ओके, सो उसका भी आपका पैसा जाएगा, उसका भी आपका ट्रैवल एक्सपेंडिचर जाएगा. सो इन द टर्म्स ऑफ सेविंग मनी एंड डूइंग इट फ्रॉम USA, आई थिंक it's not a wise decision to do it out from there, and I would say you do it from India itself. India, maybe if you are joining a good flying school, it will cost you. In my flying school which I did at this moment of time, what I heard was is 48 lakhs, including GST and everything, and expenditure is extra. You have to pay them extra, so you have to look for your own places. So it will take you like an 18-20 months to complete your flying training, एंड उसका भी पैसा आपको कैलकुलेट करना, सब कुछ जाना है. तो इंडिया में अगर आप एक नॉर्मल बिग फ्लाइंग स्कूल से करते हो तो इट विल कॉस्ट यू अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. बट अगेन आई एम सेइंग कि मैंने जिस फ्लाइंग स्कूल से किया है, इफ़ यू ऑल आर डूइंग इट फ्रॉम देयर, इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट यू विल गेट अ जॉब, बिकॉज कि मैंने उस फ्लाइंग स्कूल से किया तो वहाँ पे एयरलाइन वैकेंसीज है या वहाँ से एयरलाइन प्लेसमेंट करती है, सब कुछ नहीं है. यू कैन डू इट फ्रॉम एनी DGCA ऑथराइज्ड फ्लाइंग स्कूल, जहाँ पे भी आपका बजट आता है. व्हेन द वैकेंसी कम, यू गिव द एग्जाम. इट्स अ डायरेक्ट प्रोसेस. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने इस फ्लाइंग स्कूल से किया यू विल गेट इस फ्लाइंग स्कूल से कि आपको जॉब मिलेगी. इट्स इक्वल टू एवरीवन. एयरलाइन डजंट सी यू डू इट फ्रॉम दिस फ्लाइंग स्कूल. नो, you are doing it from a DGCA approved flying school. You have a CPL, you gave the entrance exam, you clear, you go to the next step. Okay, so I think I have answered your question. So doing it from USA or maybe from India, India will take a bit more time, but I think it's good. For example, कल को आप जब अपना CPL ट्रेनिंग के बाद अपना डॉक्यूमेंट्स DGCA में जाके सबमिट करते हो और वहाँ पे शॉर्टफॉल आता है. शॉर्टफॉल का मतलब ये होता है कि आपके पेपर वर्क में कुछ मिस्टेक्स है, कुछ करेक्शंस है, तो यू कैन रीच योर फ्लाइंग स्कूल एनी मोमेंट ऑफ टाइम. Here, see, those people, flying school के जो US में भी जो flying school है, they will do it in no time. But here in India, you can easily go and access the flying school and take the correction documents, and you can do it by hand itself. So many things are there involved. So don't come into the talks like US से करोगे, it's money saving, time saving. नहीं, वहाँ जाके जो expenditures होते हैं आपको नहीं पता चलता. So I think you should do it from India. Okay, so next question is from Lakshya_Saraswat. Should anyone study DGCA subject in 12th class? भाई पहले 12th तो कर ले. There is lot to study in your 12th standard. क्यों अभी अपना सर DGCA एग्जाम्स के लिए you're preparing for it? I always say it's one step at a time. अभी के लिए you should focus on your 12th. Then once you're done with your 12th, then you start researching on all this. ठीक है? तो अभी आप अपना 12th करो, उसके बाद अपना DGCA के एग्जाम्स में आप फोकस करना. Okay? So once you're done with your 12th, reach me, I'll assist you what to do next. Okay? Now next question is from anantu.exe. I'm 19, can I start bike racing now? Yes, you can, my boy, but if you are planning to make a career out of it, I'm sorry, please don't even think about it. आपका पैसा वेस्ट होता रहेगा. अगर if you have excessive amount of money, if you're just doing it for pleasure, you do it. Or else if you are planning to make a career out of it, I'm sorry, India is not the country for you, my boy. Now you have Midun_320. I saw your 3 upload videos. Your way of editing is incredible. I don't get bored. It's interesting too. Midun bro, so it is done by my elder brother who is holding the camera for me right now, and he does everything for me. He handles my YouTube, and my Instagram is handled by Ahmedabad Spotter. So these two are my main guys in social media. So thank you Midun, and Vishnu is also saying you a big thanks. विनय पंचल 1, सर पायलट कैसे बनते हैं? भाई आपको 1000 बार बता रखा है, आप मेरे को पर्सनली मैसेज करना, बताता हूँ तेरे को. Rainish_Utkarsh, सर टू बिकम अ पायलट स्विमिंग इज़ मैंडेटरी. आई वुड से अगर आपको आती है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. जस्ट इमेजिन अगर आप, आई डोंट वांट दिस थिंग टू हैपन एनी टाइम, बस जस्ट एन एग्जांपल, इफ यू आर अ पायलट, you are flying above the Arabian Sea or something, anything happens to you, you have to ditch on the sea. So so उस टाइम पे to save passengers, if you are a good, if you are good in swimming, maybe you can help them out in some or the other way. So it's not mandatory, but if you know swimming, it's a good thing. Now another question is from Akash Mendirata. Bro, I am planning to buy BMW G310R. So is it fine in that budget segment? I would say, bro, don't go for the branding of BMW. Just for the branding of BMW. It's a very amazing brand for sure, yes, for super bikes I would say, but if you're planning to buy a G310R, I would recommend you to buy KTM Duke 390. In terms of power, in terms of budget, in terms of maintenance, एंड आई थिंक यू शुड गो फॉर ड्यूक 390. BMW अगर आप ले लोगे जस्ट फॉर द नेम सेक यू आर हैविंग अ BMW, बट इफ यू कम अक्रॉस द परफॉर्मेंस with respect to 390, I think you should go for 390. That is my personal advice. Okay. So next question is from Delhi Airside, DEL_Airside. Out of 5 stars, how would you rate Throttle Shuttle? In terms of ambience, I would say 5 out of 5. In terms of food, I would say 3 to 4. It's my favorite spot actually. So yeah. So Wanderlust Foodie 08, मुझे भी व्हीली सिखा दो भाई, एनी टाइम आ जाओ भाई. Let's find a good place, safe place, and we'll take some permission from the authority and we'll start practicing. Okay. So another question is from Parth Desai 9. Everyone can ride fast, but what are the braking technique you use, sir? Okay, so basically I don't believe riding fast on public roads. So my best buddies knows that कि मैं 100-120 क्रॉस नहीं करता normal highways में. I try to maintain all the speed regulations which is being provided on that specific road. I don't believe riding fast. I believe enjoying the ride, enjoying my bike, enjoying the cool breeze. To riding fast, that's the reason I go for track, and I use what I have got, what my bike is giving me, and I use every inch of it on the racing track. I feel more safe and secure in the racing track. So the braking technique, there are different techniques. So on the track, I mostly rely on the front braking, and every rider rely on the front braking on the racing track, because the front brake give you the most application of braking. So there are different techniques. When you start riding, you will come to know about it. So some people use one finger braking, some people use two finger braking. I use one finger braking. Okay, that is a braking technique I use. So the next question is from Prathamesh_Elikar. That is when I can start racing. My friend, you can start racing at the age of 13. Before this, I request you to kindly go and join a race academy, do some lessons there, do some training there. Then you start off with your track riding, build some experience. Then with respect to your age, you can start competing in the national championship. There are different categories on it. Okay, so yeah, that's all about it. So you can start racing at a very young age, yes, but on the track, not on the public roads. Madhur Chauhan, do Bullet or R15? Shreyans_737, which is the safest airplane, sir? Which is your favorite bike, sir? सारे airplane safest है. All the airline make sure that the aircraft is fit to fly. They won't hand over the aircraft to the captain just like that. कि sir, इसमें बहुत सारे failures and you go and fly. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. When the captain also accept it, he also see कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. So all the airline, all the airplane you fly are safe. Okay. So, and which is your favorite bike? My favorite bike is Yamaha R1M, and if God grace, if God wants, someday I will buy that bike very soon. And yeah, okay. So the next question is from Benny_Teja. What is the difference between 2 engines and 4 engines? So the aircraft with 2 engines have 2 engines. The aircraft with 4 engines have 4 engines. That is the difference between 2 engine and 4 engine aircraft. सफ़र करो, रिलैक्स कर भाई, इतना तो गूगल भी देखो बता देगा. Okay, let's move on to the last question now. It's from the D_AK56. You, the one who is capable of flying on road as well as in the sky, please compare the adrenaline rush. Okay, so I don't fly on roads. I do wheelies just to maintain that practice. And if I'm riding on road, I make sure I ride at a very low speed. I take the leftmost portion of the road and I just like to hang on with that. Because I don't find it safe. My friends and I also had a lot of close calls on the highways. And those are not the place to take your bike and test the full speed on it. For that you have racing track. Go pay some amount of money, wear your racing suit. You are safe, you are in a safe environment, you do whatever you want. But when I do the wheelies, I make sure that road is secured. I have a bunch of team, and once I get the thumbs up, I do the wheelie, as I mentioned in the last vlog also. So if you really want to start stunting again, go and join a stunting team. You can easily reach on to them. They have a place. They are affiliated from the government. They have a license for it to practice stunting and all. Please don't do it on public roads. Okay. So that's all guys. I hope I have answered many of your questions. Mostly सारे questions जो है, it's all regarding flying and racing and everything. And I have सारे क्वेश्चंस का आई हैव गॉन थ्रू इट अर्लियर. सो सबके आंसर्स मैंने किसी न किसी के क्वेश्चंस में मैंने आपके आंसर्स भी मेंशन किया है. आई एम रियली सॉरी बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एंड ये ब्लॉग काफ़ी बड़ा हो जाता. एंड या तो सबका सी अगेन द क्वेश्चंस आर द सेम. Brother, how many types of racing are there? I've already mentioned on the one guy I've asked this question. There are different kinds of racing with respect to your age. Different series are there. It's all depend like the pace you are in, and you can go through it. Okay, so that's all about it. Thank you very much for watching this vlog, and please, if you're liking my videos, kindly subscribe, like, and share. And try to reach me on Instagram again if I missed out on any important question which I was and I'm not able to answer you. You guys can always reach me on Instagram. Thank you and have a good day. Be safe. Take care.